Hey ninth grade, this is Miss Staff. I just wanted to say hi to everybody today and give you a little tour of where things are on ManageBac. I've had a few questions and I thought I'd create this video so that everybody knows where to find the resources that they need. So as you can see, I have ManageBac open and I think yours should look pretty much the same when you go to Messages. I always try to send out my messages as emails. Sometimes your parents will get them, you will always get them, but if you do not have the same email address set up on ManageBac that you normally use when you're communicating with me, you might not be getting some of these emails. So the place that you can go to look for messages, and I would check once a day, is right here under our class and your messages. So as you can see, Ms. Hinterscher has included a message about those audio files I told you about and where to find those, and I'll show you those in just a minute. Below, I have some information about Zoom and check-ins and other things that we've talked about at my office hours. So if you forget any of those, they will still be in messages. Those messages don't delete unless I delete them, and they're also relevant and there for you to go back and look at, access anytime you need. So next we're going to click over to Files, and there are some things that you might have been looking for in Files. Let's click on Great Gatsby Resources first. I would like to show you that the entire Great Gatsby vocabulary list is found there. So if you've been doing your vocab.com and you think, oh, I really wish I had a list, let's see, it will look like this. You can print that off or just use it online if you're being green or trying to go green like me. Okay, so quickly we'll get out of that. So again, look for things in your Great Gatsby file folder. The other place Ms. Hinterscher put those, uploaded those audios in week of 23 through 27. So if you click on, you're going to see that her COVID Chronicles instructions are there, as well as our Gatsby lessons, all of the papers that we needed for this past week. And, oh, right at the top, there we go. There's her audio files. So if you just click on those audio files, you should be able to listen to those. So I think I've covered everything. Those are the two places I would like you to look if you're missing some information, your files and your messages. As always, we will have on calendar under the particular task, let's see, sometimes I don't click on the right place. There we go, weekly assignment. You will also have access to those same files I just showed you. So if you click on any of those, it will take you to the same place. You should be continuing as you go through to look back at your lesson plan right here. And to make sure that you get everything done, at the very bottom, I've included a checklist for you. So those are the things that should be turned in each week. Thanks, guys. Let me know if you have more questions, and I will talk to you soon.